Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Yellow Circular Gloink from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large circle. Next, let's move inside and add the eyes. On the top left, let's draw a larger circle. And then a smaller one, lower on the right side. Next, let's move inside and let's add another circle inside each eye. And then another circle inside each of these. And now let's color the ring inside each eye black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. We'll start below in the center and let's draw a curve up and down on the left. And the same thing on the right. Now in between in the center, let's draw a sideways oval. And then curve it in from both sides. And now for the bottom lip, let's draw a large curve underneath. Next, let's add some detailed lines on the lips. Let's draw a line up on top of the oval and underneath. Now on top, let's draw 2 more curves and 2 more underneath. And that's it for this cute gloink. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!